Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about the new series which are Excel intermediary level. In Excel intermediary level guys, we are talking about the data clearing function. In data clearing function, there are multiple functions are using under the data clearing. As you know that once we receive the raw material or data from particular function or particular person, maybe some correction and obstacles are there on those data. So to clear those obstacles and problems in those data like data clearing, we can use by the help of these 5 functions and they convert those raw material into informatory report. So let's start the video with these functions on the practical examples. So first of all, that is a concurrent in Excel. So guys, concurrent क्या होता है? In this we are adding two names into one. So like that there is a first name and last name. If we need to add both cells name into one cell, so we use the concurrent function. Here we are using that like equal sign, then concurrent, tab option to select the concurrent, then it shows text 1 and text 2. So we will select text 1 comma text 2 and enter. So answer will be there. But if you see the answer in two names, there are no space or no gap is there. It is not clear the data clearing objectives. So we have to made a space between both characters like this, and then comma and then enter. So now in two characters we have get the spacing. Now if you use this formula to other cells also, so just drop it down like this and your objective will be resolved. So this is a concurrent function. Next, that is a left and right. So left and right function is used for the left. If you get some character from the left side, or if you get the or you can get characters from the respective cells from the right side, so these functions are required like this. In this case we will use equal sign, then left, enter, then it is shows the character. So we will select the cell, then comma, then it shows the number of characters, means how many characters you want to show in this cell. If suppose we are saying 4 characters should be there from the left side. Sorry. Then so we will enter that. So first 4 character HUSS will be pasted in the D2. If same formula you have to use in below also, so just click a corner and drop down, the same answer will be coming. The same process will be happen in right also. You have to put the equal sign, then right. Now as it see the return the specific number of characters from the end of text string, it will show the number of characters from the right side of the text of screen. Okay, so same tactic will be applied in the right also. Right, then bracket, then select this cell, then again it asks the number of characters. So here you could also use same 3 character for the understanding, or a 4 character for the same, then enter. So KEEM from the right 4 digit are came in the E2, and if you apply this formula in below cells, the same answer will be coming there. So now we have resolved it. We have used 3 functions of data clearing: concurrent, left and right. Now we are talking about the mid function. Mid function is something different from the right and left. Why? Because in the mid function we have get the another option of like start number, means from where we can start the counting of picking characters, like equal to sign mid, we will select through the tab, then it will show the text. Again we selecting the Hussein, then start number. So here it asks us from which characters you want to start the mid function. Sub means from second, third, 1, 2, 3, anywhere else you can get. Suppose we are saying that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 function we will start the mid, and after that we require the number of character like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 character for the same. Then bracket close, and it will show HAKE. It start from the 9th position and then show the next 4 characters of the C2 into F2. Now we paste this in below cells also, and it will show 4 character in all the scene. In this cell F8, it's showing 3 character right now, but it is not showing the 3, it's showing 4 character because it count the space also as a character. Made the spacing, extra spacing in this. Like this, we are using the extra spacing in these 3 cells for your knowledge. Then we are using the trim function, then select this cell and enter. So here you see that there are extra spacing in C2 which is not shown in the G2 because trim function remove the extra spacing from the characters. So same, if you copy and drop this down, the extra spacing will be deleted from all the cells where you have added already. So trim function will remove the extra spaces and clear the data for your informatory purpose. Now we moved to the lower, upper and proper function. So here you see that Hussein Harim is a lower, complete lower case. In this, some characters are upper and some characters are lower case. We will convert it into upper case. So for example, we have changed something in these characters, and now we will show you how these functions are used in this lower function. In this lower functions we are use the example of C3. How that is uses, like we write there lower function, then tab and then select this cell C3 and enter. So here you see there are some characters are upper and some characters are lower, but when we convert into lower, all the characters in the name are lower. So these functions are convert all the characters in a lower case, upper converts all the characters into uppercase. For this we can show you that Hussein and convert into uppercase equal PRO proper, then tab, then select C4 and enter. So you can see proper function. Hope this video will be helpful for you and you clear these type of errors easily from your data. Thanks for watching this video. Next week we will come with few more functions about the Excel intermediate level. Till then, bye bye and take care.